Alright, y'all, this shit is no joke trying to get this old Valence off. It took us, how long do you think? About 45 minutes?
Damn, Jake Sand.
Put 1,000 grams on the scale, I think I broke it. So cracking seals, tryna bust this bitch open. I just put 1,000 grams on the scale, I think I broke it. In my room, cracking seals, tryna bust this bitch open. She want me to fall in love, but I don't really think she know me. And the nigga said he gangsta, he gon' really have to show. If I hit this shit again, they gon' fuck around and OD. Only cookie in my blunt, don't you pass me no OG. And there ain't no fucking runs, that's some bullshit you smoke. You can smell a purple punch in the air, that shit poking.
Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gangsta boy, Foot Ticker. Back with another video, man. Hey, check this out, man. I almost forgot to record this, man. I started working. You know, once you get in the mode, you like, hold it, what the fuck? Where the camera at? You feel me? But we about to put a SRT Valance. We about to put a SRT Valance in that Chrysler 300S right there. I'm gonna go show you guys in a minute. But make sure before you even start this video, hit that subscribe button like ASAP, like right now. Pause. Right now, yeah, for sure. Good, thank you, appreciate that. Hit that that notification bell, hit all, and like the video while you at it. You might as well do everything at once, so you can just watch the video straight all the way through. Watch the ads. Yes, I got ads now. Please watch the ads for sure. That's how your boy's gonna get that RIP supercharger. Believe me when I tell you that. Okay. So let me show you guys real quick, man. You see my baby right here. Yeah. Oh yeah, shout out to CCI. Yeah, Custom Concepts Illusions. Yes, sir. So yeah, we got this one back again. And so what we're doing is, you see this the stock Valence right here. We're putting on this SRT Valance because he's gonna put 5-inch tips coming from. You can't do that with these tips, you know what I mean? You can't do these, put 5-inch tips on, obviously, you know what I mean? But we're changing that, putting SRT Valance on there so we can get these 5-inch tips because he wants this thing to sound monstrous because it is a 5.7. Now also, where's it at? We are gonna I'm giving them, oh right there. I'm giving them the plug on these right here. Caliper covers. Right. Yeah, man, heavy duty. You know what I mean?
He's nice.
Mobile part joints, he's gonna go full out. And he might get these hydro dips to a different color. Keep the light on there and get them hydro dips to a different color if you want. Obviously those are the front ones. And here's the rear. Right here. So I'm assuming he's gonna try to put this on while I try to take his Valance off real quick. But, you know, I'm gonna let him have it. Anyway, that's what we got going on today. A couple things. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the process when we get done moving and grooving and stuff come off and shit like that. And I'm gonna turn this camera back on because we work, you feel me? You know how YouTube go, but you know how doing mods go when you do it on your own, you feel me? We're not paying nobody to do this. Obviously, he has to pay somebody to go put the welded 5-inch tips on, but we're gonna do the other part so he doesn't have to get charged for that, you know? So, let me get back to this, get this Valance off, and then I'm gonna turn the camera back on, all right? Yeah! All right, y'all, so we're working on these Caliper. We decided to just work on the caliper covers first because we got to do a little bit more for this SRT Valance. But we got to do a little bit of modifying, feel me? See? Put that on. If you guys want to see what the D2 springs look like, there it is right there. He got the D2. His dropped a little bit lower than mine. I don't know if that's because of stock. But he now has these on there. Feel me? Make sure you go follow. Alright, so I'm gonna figure out, he's working on the driver. I'm gonna help him figure out his side, and then I'm gonna turn the camera back on once we're actually getting to this Valance. So let me go help him out real quick because we're losing, it's light outside, but we're losing a little bit light outside. Yeah, so give me a minute. I just threw him a touchdown, you feel me? Intermission, you feel me? So, alright. We got, as you can see it in there, it says Mopar, you feel me? Yes, sir. Mopar. Yep. Yep. And then last two, as you can see in there, it look good on this gray, don't it? Yep. Last one. I mean, hooked them up with those, so. I mean. Now we about to get this Valence on, man. Had to get that young thumbnail, you feel me? So let me get this Valence, man, and I'm gonna cut the camera on when we're at a good place with it. Feel me? Yeah. Alright, y'all, this shit is no joke trying to get this old Valence off. It took us, how long you think? About 45 minutes? 45 minutes an hour to get the old Valence off. So hopefully we have a easier time getting this fucking the new Valence right there on. But that motherfucker's a bitch, just to let you know. There's a lot of push pins, and there's how many star screws?
At least four.
Four star screws that got to come out for you to pull that thing out of there, which we didn't know. We just thought it was the push pins, but it's actually 4 star screws back behind there that have to come out to get this Valence out of there. So at least I know that. So when I do my car, won't be no issues now. So I'm gonna get back to you guys once we start throwing this thing on there, and hopefully come together, and then I'll show you guys the finishing shit and shit. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I got all kind of. I don't know if you guys can't see under there, but he got from burnouts. He had so much rubber up under that motherfucker, like caked up, and a lot of the shit fell in my eye, man. I goddamn lost one of my eyes right now. But I'm gonna throw my glasses on, and then we're gonna try to get this SRT Valance on there, man, and show you guys how this like 300 about to be looking on the streets, bro. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, check this out, bro. It took forever to get this done, but we got it done. We're still not done because actually, when we were taking the original bumper out, we broke one of the reflector lights in the back, the left one. So he's ordering shit right now. He's reordering that. So he's gonna wait to put the reflectors in both sides. He's not gonna put one in and have one out. But yeah, so there's gonna be, I don't know if it's gonna be a part 2 to this, but the thing, we got the Valence in, so that's all that matters. That's what this was. It was a bitch. I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys like getting under the car and showing you, you know what I mean? I had like I said, I had rubber fall in my eye, then I lost an eye, you feel me? So I couldn't really get the camera in there to show you guys the type of shit. I wish it was a video showing you how to do it on the Chrysler 300, because there's plenty of videos showing you how to do it on the Charger. That's facts, you feel me? And you would think it was, like I said, you would think it was just the push pins, but there's actually 4 star screws along with that. So anyway, it was a bitch we figured out. My car's gonna be a lot easier, but let me show you the difference, man. It just makes the car look, they should all come like this. They should not come with this the stock one. I'm gonna show you my stock one if you can see. Let me see. You see that? It should not come with those kind of like ovalish tips. It shouldn't. They should come exactly like his. You can't really see it, but you can tell the difference. He's gonna be able to put 5-inch tips, which he's ordering. So we still have to get that done, but it already changes the whole look of the back ass of that thing, man. It just looks 10 times better. You know what I mean? So I'm a little jealous until I get mine. But anyway, that was a quick little vid I brought you guys today. You see what we started in the daytime. You see what it looks like outside right now. But it got done. You know, we weren't gonna stop until it was done. So sooner than later it got done. You feel me? It's not 12 midnight. What time is it? Shit.
8:50.
It's 8:50 though, and I gotta be to work at like 5 in the morning. But it got done. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, share it. Did you do a swap on your Valence? Do you like the SRT Valences? You know what I'm saying? Give me that feedback down in the comments below. And yeah, we're gonna get you guys another video. We're definitely, hey, you're gonna see this. You're gonna see that 300 again, because guess what? I'm doing a review on that joint, for real. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna hit, that is a 5.7. If you don't know, that is a 5.7. And he's gonna do a review on my car. And I'm gonna get to see the difference between driving a 5.7 300 and a 3.6. I've never driven the Hemi. I'm lying. Yes, I did. I think a year ago, after I had my car for 2 months, they were trying to get me to trade my joint in for the 5.7, all black, with the moonroof, with the white interior, leather interior. I wanted to so bad, but it would not have made sense Cause they were still trying to sell that for 30,000, and I think it was a 2017, 30,000. And I just wasn't gonna pull that plug. I said I'm just gonna turn mine into what I want it to be, save a whole lot of money instead of financing an extra 14,000 finance. You know what I mean? I could spend about 5 or 6 and make mine faster than a 5.7. You feel me? So anyway, yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Again, I'm not gonna keep that. Make sure you like my videos. That's how I'm gonna get noticed on YouTube. That's how I'm gonna have all these other 300s find your boy and come up with ideas, and everybody can see what we doing and shit like that. Cause I'm bringing 300s hard. You feel me? And his channel is coming. He got a content, like I said, he's gonna review my car, and that's gonna pop it off. But that's gonna be it for this video, man. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. I gotta go upstairs, take a shower, get ready for work in the morning, and get up and do a workout before I head to work. So work in progress. Summer is coming. So if you're not taking care of your goals, I know your goal is to drop some or to get beefy or whatever, get it done. Feel me? It's your boy Foo Snicker, man. Yes, sir. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. 300 gang. Gone.